Follow this step to apply for YouTube monetization. So this is where YouTube actually require you to click on apply now. Once you have gotten your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hour required for monetization. So once you do that, it's going to take you to this particular interface that says steps to apply. So we have just 3 steps. The first one is to review base terms. The second one is to sign up for Google AdSense, where you actually create, or if you had one before, you just continue using that one. You can create multiple Google AdSense. Don't worry, as you go along in this video, you guys will know more. Then the third part is actually where you get reviewed. So this review is not going to be bought. It's going to be a real human being when it comes to YouTube monetization. Now let's click on start. So once you click on this particular part here, I have to zoom it. It's going to take you to this particular part here. You can see, you can actually read through, but then I'm not going to be reading through. Just click on this. I accept the YouTube partner program terms. So once you click on it, click on accept. So after doing all of that, the second step, sign up for Google AdSense. So this is where you actually get to choose if you have an existing AdSense before, or if you're just going to be creating a new Google AdSense. You can see they even asked, do you have an AdSense account? If you have an AdSense account before, please choose yes, I have an AdSense account. If you do not have, please choose no, because you cannot have an existing AdSense account with the same email. They are going to disapprove or reject it. Is not going to be approved. Yeah, so to just be on the safer side, okay, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be choosing no, I don't know, I need to create one here. So I will be applying as someone that does not have an existing AdSense account. Yeah, so after all of that is done, let me click on this first, then we now head over to the next phase. Okay, so let's just give it some time to actually pop up. Yeah, it will just take some few seconds. It doesn't really take too long to... Okay, yeah, as you can see, it has popped up already. So this is the next interface. And yeah, they will actually ask you to choose an account. Like here, you can see several emails. Depending on the email you want to use, you just go ahead and click on that particular email. Okay, let me just click on one email so that we can actually continue this whole process. Okay guys, so let's give it a bit of time. It's going to come up very soon. Yeah, so as you can see, the website, you can see the URL is actually showing. That's the first thing you will definitely see, your URL. Yes, that's the link you can see right there. And if you also look down, you see this part that says get more out of AdSense. You can see, yes, send me a customized. So you just click on yes, because you know that's if you want actually or no. So I'll just be clicking on yes for the purpose of this video. And if you look down here, it says select your country or territory. So if you look down, you can just click on the drop down icon right here, as you can see. So once you click on the drop down icon, you go ahead and select your country. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so I'm from Nigeria. I'm going to be choosing Nigeria. Yeah, you can see. So if you look down, you guys can actually read all of this. Just click on yes, I have read and accept the agreement. You can go ahead and read it if you want, but if I'm reading it, this video is going to be too long. So just click on create account, then wait for it. Let's just give it time. So this is what the next interface will look like. Make sure you choose individual as account type. Make sure you choose individual, yes. Unless if you have something to back up, but just choose individual. Name and address, you enter your name, your address, line 1, address line 2, town, city, postcode. Like I always tell someone that if you want to put in your address, make sure you add your phone number, because there's no special place where you can actually add your phone number. Maybe your address line 2. Let's say you are from number 12, Bariga, Lagos State. You can put number 12 in the first line. The second line, put Bariga. Then you put your phone number 080-555. Put it there. So that when your AdSense arrive, it will be easier for you. So if you look down, after filling all of those info, the next thing that you now do is to enter and verify your phone number. So this is where you'll be entering your phone number. And once you verify your phone number, they'll be sending you a code that you have to enter. So make sure that the phone number you're actually using, you have access to it, so that once the code enters, you can actually impute the code to move on to the next step. So after all of that step has been done, you have to proceed. Let me click and proceed to the next interface. Okay, so bear with me, it's loading and taking it somewhere. Okay, here is actually redirecting you to YouTube. Here we have been redirected, and you can see sign up for Google AdSense is in progress. You can see the current status in progress. So this is where they'll actually review. Like usually, it doesn't really take long for it to get reviewed. I think within just few hours, yes, it will be approved. So once it is approved, this is what your end section page is going to look like. Your YouTube partner, what you're using, watch page ads, short feed ads, membership, supers, more ways to earn. Yeah, so this is actually what it's going to look like once you have been accepted into the YouTube partner program and you've turned on monetization. Also, when you start earning money, this is what your page is going to look like on the YouTube studio. When you actually click on it, you're going to be seeing this estimated revenue right here, which will be showing your balance, how much you have earned so far from YouTube. So guys, I'm going to be ending this particular video right here for now. So in case you learned one or two, please do also hit on the like button to actually encourage and appreciate me to actually bring more valuable videos and valuable content for you guys. And also, in case if you're just finding my channel for the first time and you have not subscribed, please do what to hit on the subscribe button. Do what if you're an OG, thank you for always coming back. Do what to leave in the comment section. If you're stuck or you don't understand anything, please do what to put it down in the comment section. I'm going to be in the comment section answering every question, every concern. All right guys, see you again in our next video. Bye guys.